Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this two 60, actually 72 inches, 6 feet tall fake palm trees that this brand sent to me for the video. You can use them indoors, you can use them outdoors. In this case, we're going to use them outdoors because they're waterproof, they're entirely waterproof, so you don't have to worry about that. And I also like how they look outside, like in my patio. I want to kind of like build a really nice and Caribbean thing, something like that. So these fake palm trees are gonna actually allow me to do that. They're heavy. I gotta say that the base is pretty heavy, so you can put it in a pot or something like that. My advice is to use one of those like big pots and use gravel on top. So you can put this one inside and then put gravel on top inside, so you can actually make it to be even heavier. So it's not gonna be easy to be knocked off by the wind. Which, by the way, we had a big storm yesterday, so I hope that these ones are okay because they were outside. Let me actually change to the big angle so you can see a little bit better on this too. And what I like about this one is, number one, how easy are to assemble. They come like this, so you can actually put it inside. And by the way, I do love that right here on the edge of this hole over here to put this part, it has a really nice kind of like texture, so you won't see it. So that is really good. And then kind of like the same thing with this one, as you can see. But what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna start like opening them up a little bit, because you can open them, as you're gonna see over here. They're made of metal inside, so you can open them, and just to be a little bit more like a better decoration, just not like this and just being all stiff and just like not being open, which I think it's gonna be look so much better once that they're fully open. And then you can keep doing that one with all of them, just opening up just like slowly, and you're gonna see they have a really nice and vivid green. I gotta say that the green, it is really strong and vivid. So I do like that for the outside. That's where we're gonna put them in outside, kind of like where the patio are, but you can put them outside if you also want. I'm here, don't worry, but I'm opening this one right now because I want to keep them both open and just making sure that they're like on full display. And again, these ones are waterproof, 72 inches or 6 feet, better say, and they don't need an assemble. I gotta say that the assemble takes so less time. I mean, it's gonna be probably like less than 5 minutes. I gotta say, it's gonna be less than 5 minutes for sure. So we're almost finished opening them up just like this, and you kind of like have one that is bigger than the other one. So I do like that. I do appreciate they're just not the same. Like both of them, they're not just like the same. So this two now looks so much better. And as I was saying before, I'm 5'10", so they're almost my height over here. So you can see how big these ones are, how nice they look outside, how vivid the green is, and more than anything, how nice they're gonna be for an outdoor or indoor decoration. But I do like how they look outdoors. So I like them. I do recommend these two over here. Super good ones, vivid, and they're gonna make your patio a nice decoration.